Hello, my dear friends. Today we're talking about decluttering, and I want to drive home the point that you can declutter or not declutter. But if you don't declutter, your house isn't going to get better. In fact, because clutter is magnetic to other clutter, and that's the truth, your house will get worse. So whatever level your house is in right now, is the best it will be if you don't declutter. It's only going to get worse. So start today. Divide your house up. Do it in zones. Do 15 minutes a day in a zone all week long. You can take a day off if you want, but do that, decluttering, throw away, put away, give away, and eventually your house will be decluttered and you will feel so much better. Make it a great day.